Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make split pea soup in a crock pot. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of dried split peas, 4 cups of broth, and your aromatic vegetables. That's 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget a ham hock or about 8 ounces of diced ham for that classic savory depth. This simple list ensures a delicious and hearty soup. Now let's get to the simple preparation. Start by rinsing your 1 pound of dried split peas under cold water. This helps remove any debris. Next, dice your onion, carrots, and celery into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch. If you're using a ham hock, give it a quick trim. The beauty of this recipe is that you don't need to pre-soak the split peas, saving you time. It's time to let your crock pot do the work. Place the rinsed split peas, diced vegetables, and ham into your 6-quart or larger crock pot. Pour in the 4 cups of broth and an additional 2 cups of water. Set your crock pot to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The peas will become wonderfully tender, creating a creamy texture. Your delicious split pea soup is almost ready. Carefully remove the ham hock from the crock pot. Shred the tender meat from the bone, discarding any fat or bone, then stir the shredded ham back into the soup. Give it a good stir and season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Serve this hearty, comforting soup hot, perhaps with some crusty bread on the side. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.